Farm animals, true or false game? Cows have 4 stomachs. True. Cows have 4 stomach parts to digest grass. Pigs sweat a lot to stay cool. False. Pigs roll in mud to cool off. Goats have rectangular-shaped pupils. True. Goats' eyes help them see wide areas. Chickens can only lay 1 egg per week. False. Chickens can lay 1 egg daily. Horses sleep standing up. True. Horses can rest while standing. Sheep can recognize up to 50 other sheep and humans. True. Sheep remember faces of others. Ducks can only live in water. False. Ducks live on land and water. Roosters crow only in the morning. False. Roosters crow all day. Donkeys can sleep standing up. True. Like horses, donkeys can sleep while standing. Turkeys can fly long distances. False. Domestic turkeys can't fly long distances, they are too heavy. Bees are important for pollinating crops on a farm. True. Bees help pollinate flowers, which is essential for crops. Well done, everyone.